Hey man, I honestly don't give a fuck, you feel me, bro? Niggas out here hating and shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an updated alt girl eyeliner tutorial because the last one I did was over a year ago and I really just wanted to update it because I didn't put a whole lot of effort into my last one, but it's very popular. So I'm going to be going more into detail, I guess, in this one, and I'm just doing my base makeup before all this. If you guys want a tutorial on that, I can make another one, or you guys can go watch any of my other videos. It's basically the same as what I usually do for my makeup, so you guys can enjoy this little time lapse. Also, the eyeliner I use is the e.l.f. eyeliner. It's like the $3 one. It doesn't even have like a specific name. I really just use that, and then I usually put on a Maybelline smudge proof, waterproof one on top if I'm actually leaving the house, in case, you know, I cry so it doesn't come off. But basically, I get the eyeliner and then I do a straight line upwards from like the outer edge of my eye, just straight up. This is also really good if you have really hooded eyes because it'll make it look more straight as well. I don't really have super hooded eyes, so it's more just to make sure that it's more pointy, I guess, more thick and pointy instead of long, if that makes any sense to you guys. As you can see, I'm drawing it straight out on both ends so that I can get it even and make sure that my eyeliner's even, and I'm going to draw it straight across, and then I'm trying to cut it down like that. Kind of that at an angle, not straight down, but you can do it straight down just to connect it with my eye. And then I'm gonna keep drawing that across my upper eyelid right here all the way into the inner corners. It's okay if it's messy because we are going to smoke it out with some black eyeshadow later to hide all your mistakes, so don't be too upset if it's not perfect. And then you're just going to want to fill that in with your eyeliner. If you start with the base like this and like do the outer edges first, it makes it a lot easier to just fill in your eyeliner and then fix it up as you go. I know a lot of people that don't have as steady as a hand use Q-tips and makeup remover to clean up the edges, or you can go in with concealer afterwards to clean up your edges. Another good tip is you can put tape under your eye right there, and it'll also give you a really good clean line for your eyeshadow as well as your eyeliner. But those are just some extra tips for those that don't have very steady hands, if your eyes are very jerky whenever you try to put on anything on your eyes, because everybody's different. But basically, I'm just connecting that all the way into the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm doing a little triangle in the inner corner of my eye, so I'm basically just extending that into my little eye crevice water thing. I forgot what that's called. But you guys see what I'm doing. This is also really good if you're going to put on false lashes like I do later, because it'll kind of hide where you put the lashes on if you apply them bad, because I haven't been wearing a lot of fake lashes. I've honestly just been wearing mascara, so my application's not the best. So if you put your eyeliner like this, you can kind of hide the fact that you messed it up, which is always a plus. I like to go back in with some more eyeliner and just kind of sharpen up the edges, and that's what I did off camera here. And then I went in, also trigger warning, eye pulling. I'm going in with this Wet n Wild black, just regular eyeliner pencil and putting that in my waterline. It kind of just depends on my mood, but if I'm doing more of a smoky alternative kind of look, I usually just do the black in my waterline because I'm going to smoke out my bottom lid with black eyeshadow as well. Once again, it's okay if you mess up on this part and get out on your bottom lid anyway, because we are going to be blending all of this out, because as you can see, I got some right there, and it's fine because she is going to be covered anyways. So I'm taking this kind of flat, fluffy brush. It's kind of an interesting shape, but I'm going into, I think I used the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette and just used the black from that, or I went in a Jeffree Star palette that I've used in like all my videos, and I just used that black to smoke out my upper eyeliner area where it connects to my black eyeshadow right there to make it blend in, and the top part of my lid right there, and I go down and blend that into the bottom lid and just blend everything out basically. You're going to want to do it a little bit more lightly on your under eye just so you don't have a lot of fallout and it blends in more evenly. But when you're blending out your top eyeliner, you might want to go a little bit more heavy on that so you make sure that all blends good. Honestly, that's basically it for the basic eyeliner. You can literally pair this with any kind of eyeshadow you want. And then I'm using these Ione lashes that I got from Dollar Tree. They're very good. I'm running out of eyelashes, which is very sad, so I really need to buy some more. I'm kind of down to these last 2 sets of Ione lashes. I really wanted my big long ones, but these would have to do. I also use Duo Lash Glue, which is very good. It's my favorite lash glue, which if you haven't heard of it, definitely go try it. It's only like 5 something. I don't really have any tips for applying eyelashes. Honestly, it's all down to practice. I just use my fingers. A lot of people do use those little clamps though. And you're just gonna put some eyelashes on, or if you want, this is the step you can put on your mascara. Honestly, it looks good either way. And then I decided to draw on some little lower lashes with some eyeliner, and then I wanted to do some extra graphic eyeliner things, which if you want a tutorial on this, I definitely can, but I'm just doing this little chain detail and a little cross, which is very cute. I've done this before. This step is optional. You guys don't have to add anything graphic to it, but it definitely elevates the look for sure. And then I gotta moisturize my lips, and then that's basically it. And I just put on a lip color and with some fake freckles and highlight, and that's basically it. Also, this wig is from 𝖊𝖙𝖊𝖑, if you're wondering. I know it looks kind of ratty. It's because I grabbed that last minute because my hair looked bad. But basically that's it. That's just your basic alternative style eyeliner. You can go as big or as small or as bold as you want with this, but this is just kind of gives you a basis for some alt makeup that you can try, especially if you're a beginner. This is definitely beginner friendly, except for the graphic part. That might be a little advanced. But if you guys try this, let me know, and I really hope this helps because I know a lot of people do struggle with eyeliner, and I really hope this helps you guys. But yeah, bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day or night. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and join my Discord. Bye.